Good morning, guys and gals. As you can see, we have a problem. Our wiper blade is not parking. It's not going home. So the other day I noticed this and I thought, what is going on? We bought this 4Runner used, and the dealership we bought it from put new wipers on it, which I thought was nice. You know, hey, thanks, new wipers. But it's turned out to not be a favor. So I spent about 30 minutes trying to reclock. I thought the clocking may have been off on the wiper. So there's a 10mm nut up in here, and I spent 30 minutes trying to reclock this thing, and it was slamming up in there. It was too tight and all that stuff. Well, it turns out this is the problem. All right, so how to remove your rear wiper. Turn the rear wiper on, and when it gets in kind of the middle here, just turn the key off, it'll stop. And it's very simple. You don't need any tools. Just take this, and you're gonna pull the bottom down. Whoops, I'm gonna break my glass. All right, so let me go show you why this doesn't work. All right, so here is the one I just removed. All right, so this is how it was on the vehicle. Look how that's made. Now here's a genuine Toyota part. Look how much fatter that is. So if I hold these next to each other, if I can. All right, the Toyota on the bottom, junk on top. See the difference? This area through here is what makes that ramp up into the where it's supposed to park. And this one is too thin. All right, so junk, good. So that's why it wasn't parking. So I'm gonna go pop this on, I'll show you the difference. All right, so to install this, hang with me here. Basically just reverse the process. You're gonna put that in there and then rotate it up. You're gonna feel it snap into place. There we go. Now, let's try it again. Now here's an alternate method. If your blade or the arm is good, these really don't wear out. You can just replace the rubber part. You can buy the blade as an assembly, or you can buy just the refill. Now I'm going to have both of these parts, part numbers on my website, kaufmansgarage.com. And so what you do, see these little metal strips? It does take a little time. Not everybody does this because it's more time consuming. Take some needle nose pliers. Pull that out. Now there's one on the other side. Once you have one out, the other one's easier to get to. Pull that one out. You just take this out of the arm here. Now the new one is going to arrive like this if you buy just the refill. It's called a wiper refill, and it's going to have the two metal strips, and you just install it just the way you take it out. It's not bad. So these are cheaper. I think this was 20 something bucks. I think these might be like $8. So it's a lot cheaper to do it that way. And again, I'll have both part numbers, Toyota part numbers, on kaufmansgarage.com. If I helped you, consider buying me a coffee. Have a great day.